In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these results doing a silk press at home. Starting off with Food for Soft Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner from Matrix, my blue scrubber to really clean my scalp, and my unbrush to detangle. I followed up with a hydrating deep conditioner from Matrix. I sat under for 20 minutes. This step is a very vital step for healthy hair. After leaving my hair in a towel to drain out the rest of the water, it was now time to add product. I always split my hair in half so I'm able to put more attention on each section. First up is Olaplex number 9. It's a bond protector. It softens and improves manageability, and it's also a heat protectant. I love how it makes my hair feel, so I always use this step first. Once the section has been properly saturated and coated, I move on to the second step, which is the Color Wow Dream Coat. This product is an anti-humidity spray, so I make sure to focus the product on anywhere that would revert very easily, such as my roots. Next is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. This one's an oldie but a goodie. Make sure every product you spray is evenly coated throughout your hair. This next product is my favorite. It's the Brazilian Blowout Thermoprotective Straightening Balm. It's an anti-frizz heat protectant. I don't see many people talking about it, but I wouldn't do my routine without it. And for moisture, I always use It's a 10 leave-in. It has so many great benefits, so you can never go wrong. Last but not least is the Chi Keratin Silk Infusion Serum. It's important to not use oil when heat styling, so using this serum is amazing. I repeated the same steps on the other side, and now on to blow drying. This is how movable and smooth your blow dry should be. I detangle the section with my unbrush and then start blow drying on low heat. After blow drying for a few minutes and the hair starts to get smoother, I switch it to high heat briefly to finish it off. Here's how it's looking so far. Moving on to a different section, I isolate my hair into subsections and repeat the process. If you haven't used the unbrush before, I highly recommend. I'm so sad I didn't discover this brush earlier. A great blow dry is such an important step to ensure that you get a great silk press. It allows you to use less heat when straightening, and it makes your hair last longer. Finishing off this last section by focusing the blow dryer on my roots. Oh my gosh, ignore my upper lip sweat. That bathroom gets so hot. Okay, so I tied my hair up, and the trick is to use finer sections. I combed through my section to have good tension, and then I clamped my flat iron as close as I could to the roots and followed along behind it with my tail comb. This was a tricky position, so I just made sure to take my time. The flat iron I'm using is the Bioionic 10X Pro Styling Iron, and it's my absolute favorite. When I finished the back section, I grabbed my second straightener, which is the T3 straightener, so that I can use it simultaneously, one being for the roots, which is a little bit higher heat, and then the second straightener being for the mids to ends. The back sections were definitely the most challenging because I couldn't see what I was doing. Here's how it's looking so far, very smooth and shiny and lightweight. I was getting so tired at this point, I just wanted it to be over, but I was still trying to be mindful to take thin sections so that it turns out okay. And here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Bye!